Yeah.
was with him.
Oh, perfect.
It's
I
for
still have to pay you, actually. I realized. I forget about things like paying people. 46 I was at. 20, 30, 40. Hello.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Great.
Can you go get stuff?
You got little bags
like
full of organized
We're
Hatchimals?
trying.
Nice. Can I look at the plush?
Yeah. It's a
Okay.
whole bag for like $5.
For the whole bag?
Yeah.
Wow.
We have more.
Pillow pets. You got the Chick-fil-A cow.
I threw a bunch of those out.
Yeah. I'll do $5 for this bag of plush.
All right. Okay, awesome.
Oh, you found one
like
too?
the stuffed animals if you want to bring more out.
Yeah, I mean, here's $5.
Thank you. Although they might be set, they just have two.
Yeah, that's a lot of plush.
Stuffed animals. That is their thing.
How's it going?
I'm gonna bring it to the clock.
Sorry, our bags are not discounted.
Yeah.
We didn't see about this until last minute, so
Yeah, I was trying
it
to.
was like,
we were
"Whoa,
walking
get it in
her.
a bag."
We're driving around, just like it doesn't say that which houses or anything. It's just like
Yeah.
I guess you drive around and see what you find.
See, yeah.
Okay. I'll come back. I just want to
Okay.
put the
Yeah,
SIM
we
card.
do have more.
Okay. Oh wow, even more stuff.
These make a noise.
Oh, fun. These are like little American Girl pets. That's cool. See that American Girl?
Here's one of the other ones.
Oh yes. Is that, well, that's not Simba. Who is that?
That is Kion,
Kion, okay.
lion guard.
Yeah. These little shoes are cute. See these? Callie would like those. These. It's very organized. It's like your Frozen bag. Yeah.
Apple, what? Oh. I thought it was like an Apple Watch.
Cars. Okay.
These poop and eat.
Oh, wow. Just like real people.
Yes.
That's funny. For real friends. They poop and eat. Pretty good. They multitask. Hatchimals. Wow. A lot of toys. A lot of toys. And Jurassic World in here.
Where did you get this guy?
Just right up front. $1. If I'd seen the dollar, I would have just grabbed it.
We tried to.
Yeah.
Like, you know what? The point of this is to get rid of stuff.
Yeah, oh, this is cool. Untamed.
Unless they have a little girl that may not be into.
We have 2 little girls.
Oh, with your son, they watch Elena. We have.
No, we don't.
We used to. That's the whole 8-year-old show.
So what you're saying is you all love Elena.
Nope. I still love it. Yeah, she's like Spanish.
Oh, these are... Jack Pacific. Come on.
This clothes I took $2. We do have little girl clothes too in bags. Huge bags for $2.
Yeah, ours have too many clothes.
Yes, that was our problem too.
My wife does all the clothes buying in the house.
Yes, especially when they're little. It is fun.
Oh, did you ever heard of those? Those are cool. They're like little eggs with little creatures in them.
Yeah,
Kinda
they
neat.
talk and eat and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
But the batteries.
Probably
Need batteries, yeah.
They need batteries, Mom. I just said that.
I wonder if they need batteries.
Maybe.
So what do you think on this pile? Some of this doesn't have prices. I don't know what you'd think on this pile here. It's kind of a mixture.
Oh, okay.
I probably took things out of bags or something. I messed stuff up.
It's fine. Yeah, I mean, like maybe $2 for those together.
Okay.
Most of these have prices.
Yeah, I probably just didn't see them all.
$5.
Oh yeah, there you go.
$5. Oh yeah, that's her Beanie Boos.
So 15, 16,
5,
17,
10,
18 bucks, right?
16, 17, 18. Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Awesome. Oh, it's kind of sad.
I know, see it all. 10, 15,
They're buying up your stuff.
16, 17, 18.
Sit that down.
Are they profit sharing?
They are. They're like, Mommy, we get some of this.
Yeah. Did you ask him about if they had Squishmallows? That's his favorite, Squishmallows. I don't know if they have any of those.
No, maybe like one or two. They would just be in the bags. You may get lucky. They may be in some
okay.
of these bags,
Yeah,
but they
we'll
don't
look.
have too many of those.
Yeah,
Those are newer things, right? So they don't.
yeah, they're kind of new.
These are from the last few years, and they were in the Beanie Boos and Disney. Did any of your bags have Squishmallows in them, girls? You're kind of into those too.
One that what?
Isn't even the brand. It's kind of
Oh, like the knockoff ones? Yeah. I got you.
I don't.
I thought you were something online.
Yeah, she's trying.
All right, I think we're good. Hopefully we can find some more in the neighborhood. Have you already seen some other ones? He's not listening.
it's early.
Yeah. All right, thanks, ma'am.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You guys.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Good. I needed some ladies' shoes.
Some leash. There's a lot of that.
This is Jillian from Biggest Loser.
It is.
Wow. That's cool. What we got over here? Rachel Ray. $1. Cool. These are cool, Elijah. That's glass. I might break it. How's it going?
Good, good.
I think I want to get your Rachel Ray stuff.
Okay. Yep.
It's 14 for all of it.
Yes, exactly.
Give $1.
Couldn't you that dollar?
It's priced, so just make an offer.
Darth Vader. Look at this old guy. Oh, cute. Couple Build-A-Bears there. That dinosaur's cool. Got a bunch of cool plush. Oh. In a Skyland. Do they have the Angel? Yeah. $13. So if the bin is less than that, I'm buying it. Hey, how much is your Skylander bin?
I don't know. Is it worth two?
Some, but not tons. I'm gonna throw it cheap at you, and you can just say no. 20?
That sounds good.
Okay. And what about your car?
It's $1.
$1. Okay. I'm gonna get your Paw Patrol bin.
Oh, cool. That's
So for $8, so that's 29.
Yep.
And I can leave you this bin. I'll just pour that in there.
Oh, yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah, that sounds good.
If you're okay with getting rid of that bin,
Oh,
or
I
do you
am
want?
okay with that then.
Okay.
Yes. We'll say $2.
That's cool. That is something. 29 and 29. You really have all the fun stuff, huh? Are you guys selling any other video game stuff? Any other video game stuff?
No other video game stuff.
How much is this guy?
$1.
So 30. How much are your shoes?
For $1 each.
Yeah. See what it is. What, my bin?
Yes.
It's a good bin. I like toys. 30. Partner in crime. I got an Amazon Echo, Elijah. Didn't you say you wanted another Amazon Echo?
Alexa.
Yeah, an Alexa or whatever. Tech decks. Alright, how much is this little pile?
Oh my goodness. Take the whole pile for $1.
Okay. Elijah, I got a little treat for you in here. A popper?
Don't give me
Anna would like that.
Yeah, yes, Anna.
That's 31. Oh man, what a classic movie. Willow! 31. The bridge on the River Kwai. Carmen Sandiego. Everyone's selling this game. See that everywhere I go. Did you ever try the craft beer making kit?
No, we never opened it.
How much you want for that?
Let's go, I don't know, $8? I think it's worth like $50.
Yeah, I think I'd do that. How much are these?
Those are $1 each.
$1 each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't think I want King Kong. Okay. So what'd you do with that? Like 15? Is that fine?
Sure.
That's like $1 off?
Yeah.
And then I'm at 31. So 41, 42, 43, 46. Math time. I like to challenge myself with math on Saturday mornings.
Oh, this is fun.
You can, I think I can unlock the door if you want to bring stuff out.
I didn't even bother trying to go because I know you just locked the door.
Oh, there's books too. All right, let me bring out my first batch.
Oh, just the things on it.
Oh, hernia.
Want the lid?
Yeah, I'll come back though. I still want to look. Oh, yeah.
With them.
Oh, perfect.
It's
I
for
still have to pay you, actually. I realized. I forget about things like paying people. 46 out of that. 20, 30, 40, 5, 46. Here you go. 46 out of that. 20, 30, 40, 5, 46. Well, I'm gonna keep looking at your toys here. Oh, can I get this one too? This is Skylanders, part of it.
Oh, yeah, that goes in there.
Yeah,
I forgot to throw that in.
that's alright. Elijah, you saw this? I'll give you a deal on the whole bin. I mean, you know how it is. Oh, these are cool. These are like monster trucks. I wouldn't pay like more than $2 for the whole bin. This one's cool.
The skirt in the bin. Like a little skirt there.
Nice.
Maybe go up here.
That's cool. I might buy that. Bunch of Star Wars books.
Looks like Squishmallow, doesn't it?
You don't want to build the bears? This one?
Oh, no, I want this.
That guy's cool.
Look at him.
I don't know if he's worth anything, but he's cool. And this is,
Oh, Mama butt plants.
what's he from? This little chicken thing. Toy Story, yeah, that's it.
Put it up in your garage.
Oh, cool. Yeah, just grab all these. What do they charge you for plush? Buck a piece?
Like $2.
Okay. I've got 4 plush and the books.
Like $1.
Okay.
So 1, 2. How much are you selling your stuffies for? 50 cents.
Okay.
Oh, I said
So
$1. I'll
3.
do 50 cents. So that's $1. $1.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
No, it's not mine. Must
Not
be
mine?
yours.
Did you get that out of there?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
What's it worth to you?
About $1.
$1. We'll do
So
$1.
$3. Okay. I'll give you 4 and then we're at 50 total.
Perfect. I like round numbers.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I gotta go because you guys have a lot of sales. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Hopefully sell everything. Wow, talk about an epic fail, huh guys? I can't believe I did that. It's not a big deal. I'm still gonna make a ton of money on that yard sale. Actually, that one multicolored Skylander already sold for $36. I listed it a little low because it was damaged. So that one already got a lot of my money back. And then I listed 3 of the Skylanders, and if all of them sell, it's gonna be $60. So more than I spent on the entire sale. Plus all the other items and all the plush at the first sale. Lots of money to be made. Make sure you guys comment below and let me know if you've ever made a mistake like that. Also, check out this video next, where a seller tells me he's not selling video games and ends up bringing out 35 of them.